I'm Karen Deis, publisher of Mortgage Currentcy magazine, and this is the March 2014 edition, updating you on a few of the rules and regulations that went in effect over the last 30-day time period. Now, there were no Fannie or FHA updates within the last month, but Freddie has issued a few of them trying to play catch-up to what Fannie has already implemented. But I'll talk about that in a little later. But I wanted to start out with the uniform state test and the March 31st deadline to register to take that test. Now, if you pass the national test, all you need to do is pay $33 and pass the 25-question state test. And right now, you have the ability to be licensed in 39 separate states. Now, you still have to submit applications to each state and probably an application fee. But the cool thing is that once you pass this test and more states have been added, you automatically qualify to get licensed in those states as well. Now, David Luna from Mortgage Educators says that if you fail the test, you'll have to still wait 30 days. But by registering by March 31st, that'll give you time in case you fail the test. And again, if you register by March 31st, you do have 180 days to take the uniform state test. If you miss the deadline, the number of test questions go up to 125, and who knows what the application fee is going to be for the test. This year, VA has now issued their loan limit charts twice. One of them was for loans closed between January 1st and February 28th of this year. And then a new one was issued to increase some of the loan limits for loans closed after February 28th. Now, even if you have a loan in process now, but not closed, the higher loan limits go into effect. So download the old chart and the new chart and compare them to see if your county's loan limits have increased. That's the only way you're going to be able to determine that. VA also came out and reiterated that foreclosed properties must still meet the minimum property standards and appraisal requirements by VA. But they've gone on to say that a veteran buying a home will allow escrow accounts for the work to make the home habitable, and it could be escrowed by either the lender or the veteran. Now, subscribers can download a mortgage talking points flyers called VA Minimum Property Standard Guides. Duh, what else? And it's a cool marketing piece to share with your real estate agents. Now, here's the kicker. When it comes to the VA and escrow accounts, a lender is not able to get a VA guarantee until all the repairs are made. So you're going to be really, really tight time frame to get those repairs made. And also check with the lender. Now, I mentioned a couple of Freddie updates, and some of them have to do with what they consider cash reserves. Another one is removing the requirement that if a person has a home that they're living in that's a 1 to 4 family, they convert it to a rental property with the hopes of buying another home. They no longer have to have a 6-month cash reserve requirement. Another update has to do with what is considered a large deposit, defined as money other than money from a regular paycheck stub or income source that exceeds 25% of the borrower's gross monthly income that is used to qualify for the loan. So let's say that you're using $10,000 as the qualifying number, and there's a deposit of $2,000 in the account. It is not considered a large deposit, and all you need is a bank statement or a VOD, and no other documentation is required. But let's say it's $3,000, then you better prepare your borrowers for them to get documentation to verify the source of the large deposit. And then one more thing. The USDA pilot program that was supposed to expire on February 28th really didn't. It's because There was no new AN letter issued to extend it, so it was automatically extended by default until further notice. Now, just a reminder that one of the benefits of subscribing to Mortgage Currency is the Ask the Experts help desk and the panel of experts that we have to answer your loan scenario questions, underwriting, maybe even condition questions that come back from the underwriter. And most of the time, they're going to direct you to the book and page number where it's found in the guide or the handbook, so you can back up your comments and even submit it with the file. So thanks for viewing this video, and remember that getting a loan approved and closed these days is rocket science.